electron dot structure of carbon dioxide whose formula is CO2. Okay, so to draw the electron dot structure of CO2 or carbon dioxide, at first we have to find out the valence electron in carbon dioxide, right? Carbon is an element of group 4a, so it has 4 valence electron. On the other hand, oxygen is an element of group 6a, so it has 6 valence electron. But here we have 2 oxygen atoms, so multiply by 2. So basically you are getting 4 plus 12, that is 16 valence electron totally, right? So what is the function of this 16 valence electron? This 16 valence electron at first will connect these 3 atoms, right? And then this 16 valence electron will satisfy the octet for these 3 atoms. So let us connect these 3 atoms together. So look, to connect these 3 atoms, we have used just 4 valence electron out of 16. So we have left 12. 12 valence electron we have left, and this 12 valence electron will be used to satisfy the octet of outer atom first. Here carbon is the central atom and oxygen is the outer atom, because the electronegativity of carbon is lower than oxygen. Actually, the single atom is considered as an central atom, except hydrogen. So we have 12 valence electrons. So this oxygen has 2 valence electron, so it can take maximum 6 valence electron out of this 12. So if you deduct, then you have 6 valence electron left. So this 6 valence electron will come here. Now look, this oxygen has 8 valence electron. This oxygen also has 8 valence electron, and this carbon has, look, 4 valence electron. So to satisfy the octet for this carbon, what will I do? We have no extra electrons, so what should I do? Okay, let us delete these things. We have to move electron from the oxygen. So we have to move this lone pair as a bond pair, right? So we have to get the stable Lewis structure, we will move the valence electron equally. The word equally will be important for this. So let us do this. Now this oxygen has 8 valence electron, this oxygen also has 8 valence electron, and this carbon also has 8 valence electron, right? So if you calculate the formal charge for oxygen, carbon and oxygen, then you will get formal charge 0, 0, 0, right? So let me show. The formal charge of oxygen equal to valence electron of oxygen in free state, that is 6, minus unshared electron 2, 4, minus half of shared electron 4, shared electron 4. So we are getting here 6 minus 4 minus 2, that is 6 minus 6 equal to 0. So the formal charge for this oxygen is 0. So this since the number of seems the electronic structure of this oxygen and this oxygen is similar, so it also will have 0 formal charge. What is the formal charge for this carbon? Look, the valence electron of carbon is 4, minus unshared electron is 0, minus half of shared electron 4, 4, 8. So 4 4 minus 4 0. So the formal charge in carbon dioxide for carbon atom is 0. So this is the best and stable Lewis structure. So thank you for viewing this video. Be well.